Hey, buddy, you want to see something cool?
Like what?
I'm gonna make him fake sneeze.
That's so mean. Do it.
Alright, here we go. And stop.
Hey, Brain,
Yo, what's up?
you want to explain what that was?
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, because we go through this every single day. If you're gonna make me sneeze, at least let me sneeze.
I don't know why you're looking at me. If anything, it's Nose's fault.
No, I heard what you said. Don't go and try pinning that on me.
Nose, if you keep talking, I'm gonna give you allergies again.
Bro, I can just take a Claritin. You don't have any power over me. Alright, I'm getting a brain transplant.
Hey, chill, hold on!